Hi, today we will make this 5-point star. Let's go to the video. In step 1, we will cut a square paper from this A4 paper. First, we will fold the paper diagonally. Now we will fold the paper along this line. Now we will cut the paper along this line. In step 2, we will make a pentagon shaped paper from this square paper. First, we will fold the paper horizontally like this. We will fold this edge along this one and make a crease in the middle. We will do the same in the opposite side like this. Now we will bring this point to this X and fold. Now we will fold this edge along this one. Now we will fold this edge to this edge. Now we will fold through the middle in opposite direction like this. Now we will cut through this line. We already got the pentagon shape we wanted. Now we will fold this to give it a proper shape. In step 3, we will fold such that this line touches these points on the line, like this. This line will touch these 2 points. We will repeat this for all the 5 edges. Now we will fold one edge and the adjacent one so that this line comes out like this. We will repeat this for all the 5 edges. Now follow me carefully in the next step to give it the star shape. Now we will fold each flap to the center like this. While folding the last flap, we have to unfold the adjacent ones and fold it back again. This is how we make a star very easily. Please subscribe our channel if you like this video. Thank you.